Hey folks, I'm Paul with New Jersey Animal Pest Control Specialist, serving the entire state of New Jersey. We're here doing a video in Manchester, New Jersey. We got a call on a commercial account for Whole Foods, for those of you who do Whole Foods organic. I think it's a big thing today. We got a call, they had some raccoons in the back. I guess the raccoons were going organic. Anyway, they told us we've been catching raccoons for them. And usually raccoons run in litters 3 to 5, like groundhogs 3 to 5, skunks 4 to 7. But the reason why I'm making this video is they told us we had 2 raccoons in the cage, but I caught 3 raccoons. Count them: 1, 2, 3. You'll see the one in the back there. They're kind of a little scared because they're young. They're babes coming into elementary years, and they're nocturnal. They hibernate, they sleep during the day. Nocturnal is their activities at night. When we're going to sleep 8, 9, 10 p.m., they're waking up for the cappuccino. Anyway, there they are. There's 3 of them there. And we caught 4 raccoons within 2 days. We know how to catch not only raccoons, squirrels, groundhogs, whatever the rodents may be, whether it be on a commercial property, residential, in your backyard. We do it swiftly and promptly, effectively. We like to get rid of them. And we can catch 3 in a cage. As you can see, the attractive baits that we use help them go in rather quickly. So we're serving these days Rockland County, New York area, Northern Jersey area, Central Jersey, and the Jersey Shore. And the number for Rockland County is 845-770-4224. Northern Jersey number is 973-388-9126. For Central Jersey and Jersey Shore, you're looking at 732-664-5667. And please mention this video that you saw Paulie at New Jersey Animal Pest Control, and we'll give you $50 off for any animal insect treatment. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.